blind because everything is red. Oh, look at that gorilla over there. Why is he red? Oh, is my eyes playing tricks on me again? Naughty eyes, naughty eyes. Another thing about me is that my friends think my nose is orange, but I keep telling them it's red. Oh, it's my eyes playing tricks on me again? Welcome to my channel. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo. Fridge. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's fridge. Elmo loves his beer. Cake. Ice cream. Elmo's fridge.
Elmo.
Hello. What do you want to do today?
I don't know, Elmo. Elmo there.
Who's that?
I don't know, Elmo. Hey, Elmo.
Oh.
I'm drunk. I'm Donkey Doody.
Oh. What do you want? What are you doing here?
Well, I'm gonna here to encourage you to drink beer. No, Elmo, don't drink beer.
Why?
Because it's bad for you.
But he's drinking it.
Well, look at him. Do you want to be like him?
I wouldn't mind.
Are you sure, Elmo?
Where
What?
do you find it?
I'm not telling you. The fridge!
Really?
No,
I want to see what it looks like.
Elmo!
Is this a fridge? Junkie Doody, is this a fridge?
Yes!
Oh, okay.
That's the beer, Elmo. That's it, Elmo. Good, Elmo.
What else is there in the fridge?
Cake.
An expired cake.
It's even better.
Goodbye. I'm gonna sleep in here tonight.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna show them. No. Hello there. Hi, have you seen Elmo? I haven't seen him in a day. Oh, well, he's definitely not in the fridge. Hey, didn't you tell him about the fridge? Like this bear there and cake? Yeah, but he's definitely not in there. I might just have a look, because I can't trust you, because you're drunk. I wonder if Elmo's in here. What the hell, Elmo? Why are you doing this? You've been in here for one whole day. Is he alive?
It's a freezing. I've been in here for 1 whole day and 1 second, and it's just so cold.
Elmo, you must be drunk, because I'm gonna check with the bear thermometer, but for now, you're coming with me. Okay, Elmo, so what I want you to do is I want you to blow into this cup. It will have 50 cents in it once you blow into it if you're drunk, but then if you're not drunk, it will not come out with any money.
Okay.
Elmo, there are two 50-cent coins in here. That means you're super drunk.
Can I have that?
No, Elmo, you're super drunk, but you don't seem drunk, but you are drunk. You're super drunk. How many beers have you had?
I'm too drunk. I can't count.
I thought you couldn't count full stop.
Oh. That's sad. But can I have the 2 50-cent coins?
Fine, Elmo.
Oh, thanks.
What are you doing, Elmo?
I'm gonna buy me some Coke with it.
Okay, Elmo.
No, I might buy some beer, actually.
Elmo! Oh, and by the way, where on earth is Drunky Doody, Elmo? I'm in the fridge. Oh.
Where are you? Well, I guess he died. I think Drunky Doody just died. But I guess that's karma for making me drunk.
Oh, wait, hold up. Let me quickly get the monitor. I'm back, Elmo. with the monitor. So, okay, just blow into it like last time. Blow into it. Elmo, the cup disappeared. That means you're fully clean.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's like a good ending for a movie because every movie ends on a happy ending. Kind of gets boring sometimes.
I guess so.
But, yeah, I guess this is it.
Bye.